This is the feeding conveyor. Here we'll connect the blister packing machine. This conveyor will take the blister board, come to the auto feeding system. Our flow wrap machine equipped two auto feeding systems because customer request very high speed. For example, this flow wrapper speed max can be 300 packs per minute. Okay, this is one more auto feeding system. This one is for checking and compensation. For example, if customer want to pack 5 pieces per bag, and then if checking find only 4 pieces, this one will be automatically adding 1 piece. Here is the automatic film recovery system. This machine will equip the hot transfer data printer, and the customer can compile what he will print on the bag. Also, this one can print a barcode. For the end seal is two cutters. So one motion will cut 2 pieces of the product. Then the speed will be doubled. This machine max speed can be 300 to 350 packs per minute.